In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel flight on Booking.com. If your flight was booked through Booking.com and you're signed into the same account you used to book, the process is quick. Keep in mind that airlines set the rules for cancellations, so what you see may vary by fare type and timing. Some tickets are fully refundable, others only allow changes, and many are non-refundable except for taxes. With that in mind, let's walk through where to find the cancel option. Start on the Booking.com homepage or open the app. Look for your profile. On desktop, it's the avatar or your initial near the top right corner. In the app, it's usually in the lower menu. Click your profile to open your account area. This is where Booking.com groups everything related to your trips and reservations. Next, choose Bookings and Trips. This section shows all your upcoming and past reservations across services. Switch to the Flights area if needed, then locate the flight you want to manage. You'll see the airline, dates, and route. Open that flight to view its details, including the reservation code and the options available for your ticket. If cancellation is allowed, you'll see a cancel option right on this page. Select it to review the airline's policy, any fees, and the expected refund or credit. Read the summary carefully. If you're comfortable with the terms, confirm the cancellation. Booking.com will submit the request to the airline and show you a confirmation screen once it goes through. A few tips as you finish up. The cancel button may be disabled for basic or non-refundable fares, very close to departure, or for bookings handled directly by the airline. In those cases, the page will explain what options are available. Refund timelines depend on the airline and payment method, but it commonly takes several business days for funds to appear. Watch for a confirmation email in your inbox. It includes your cancellation reference and any next steps. If you don't see it after a short while, check your spam folder and verify you're viewing the correct account. That's all there is to it. Open your profile, go to Bookings and Trips, and, if your fare allows it, cancel the flight from its details page. Pause the video as needed while you follow along, and when you're done, you'll have clear confirmation of the change.